total game changer. It comes with a highly integrated dual cyclone separation system.
This is our initial suction power before we start vacuuming the sawdust, which is approximately 19.7 kilopascals. Preparation: unplug the suction tester and connect our vacuum hose to begin. Step 1. We pour in a 5-gallon bucket of sawdust and start vacuuming. Now, all the sawdust has been successfully collected. Step 2. Repeat the process. Pour in another 5 gallons of sawdust and vacuum it out. Step 3. Continue by vacuuming another 5 gallons. The results: finally, we reinsert the suction tester. Our suction power is now around 18.5 kilopascals. Summary: after vacuuming 50 gallons of sawdust, the suction loss is only about 1 kilopascal. This significantly minimizes performance drops. Taking a look at the filter, it is virtually unclogged with only minor residue. From now on, you won't need to clean your filter constantly.